Due to some form of supernatural intermediary, Devil's Bridge has been referred to in various locations throughout the world. However, the most well-known one is in the German town of Kromlau. The figurative bridge, known in German as Racketsburg, is one of the most amazing in the entire globe. It was built in the 1860s. It generates a perfect circle that includes its own reflection in the ocean below, a feat that is only thought to be achievable with extraterrestrial assistance. The world's most stunning, mysterious location, in fact,